next slide. So what is your career growth? So you have started your position as a relationship manager, right? So starting itself, you're starting as a manager. So what is the next steps, and what what are the stages or the things which you have already crossed? So actually in a bank, if you see, we will have sales officer or SO. Okay, relationship officer or sales officer, which is a basic position. After that, you will have senior SO or senior relationship manager. Okay, after that, you will have a relationship manager. So you are saving directly 3 years of your time. Okay, you're not crossing through all that things. You're directly jumping to the RM position. Okay, you're not going through the first stage, because okay, you will get a training from TVS company to directly start your position as a relationship manager. Okay, so you will start as a manager. What next? Because everybody has that, no? Suppose if you are going to a movie, you will have, okay, what will be the interval, no thing, what will be in the climax? Everybody wants to know what will happen in the next. So being a relationship manager, your next position will be senior relationship manager. Okay, so okay, now if we are a HR, next will be senior HR. So in any company that is common, right? And after that, after being a senior RM, you will be deputy bank manager. Okay, this position will be one in every bank. And next will be branch manager. So branch manager means everybody knows that, no? For every one, suppose there is a one branch in one particular location, he will be that head for that location entirely. There will be no other person. So below him will have we will have a deputy bank manager. So in the absence of bank manager or branch manager, this person will take the lead, and he will perform all the tasks which the bank manager will do. Okay, so you will have only 2 steps in middle of you to reach this position of branch manager or bank manager. Okay, so in very short span, you can reach to the top position as a branch manager. Okay, so this is your career progression. Right. So we will first check the eligibility. Okay, because there are so many people here, some may not know. Okay, even if we have clearly mentioned in the mail and everywhere, you may not have checked. So I will once again clearly mention about the eligibility criteria. So if at all anybody is not eligible, you can do one thing. You can just ping me up saying I'm not eligible for this particular thing. Just inform me if there are any other vacancies. So what we will do, we will create a separate Excel, drop your numbers there, so that if any other opportunities come up, we will send you a bulk message. Okay, so if at all you're not interested in this opportunity, at the end also, you can just let me know the same thing, that I'm not interested. Please let me know any other opportunities, because I told you we are hiring for a lot of companies, lot of financial companies. Okay, so it is not necessary that even how good the opportunity is very. So if anybody is like +2 or diploma, you guys are not eligible. Okay, so that point we are very clear. And the age has to be below 26 years. So suppose if you are 26 years one day, or 25 years 11 months also, you are not eligible, because when you are joining the company, your age has to be at least one day less than 26. Okay, so 25.9 is the ideal age. We will have training and all, no? So for training, the course duration will be 21 days. So if at all your age is like 25.11 months, like if you are crossing that age, you will not be eligible. So just check that and make sure like 25.9 is the maximum thing. At least 10 we can try, but not more than that. Okay, so age criteria is that. And talking about the percentage, so in 10th, inter and degree, you will have to have at least 50%. Even if you have 49% or so, you will not be eligible. Okay, so just check that. And experience, if you are a freshers, that is totally good, because we are targeting mostly for freshers only, just newly passed out people. Okay, like that we are interested in. And suppose if you have 2 years of experience also, that is okay. Okay, manageable. And this is the most important point, you should not have any gap in academics. Okay, like suppose you have done your 10th in 2012. Okay, you should do your +2 or your intermediate in 2014. So there should not be any gap. Like suppose you have done your 2014, if you have done your intermediate, then you should do in the next 3 years or 4 years only, you should complete your degree. So you should not have any gap in your academics, no break, no other courses. So not even 1 year of gap is allowed. Okay, so I hope this point is clear. So even if you're having any other course, like any other diplomas if you're having, then also it is considered as not eligible. So you will have to check this because this is 100% followed. Okay, no like no other option, right? And talking about the work location. So suppose if you guys got selected in the interview, then where will you be placed? Okay, because as I told you in the starting only, TVS is a South Indian based company. Okay, so we will be working mostly in South India, but you people are from Madhya Pradesh, right? So what we do is we give the candidates their own state. Like suppose if Tamil Nadu people are there, we will give their location in Tamil Nadu only. If you people are, all of you are from MP, we will give you in MP only. Okay, so basic banking, if you see, they will not give it in the same district or same state. But what we do, we will inform the ICICI that this person, like suppose I can see Anmol. Okay, so Anmol belongs to MP. Okay, so we will say he is from MP, so please give him in the Madhya Pradesh only. So suppose if you are saying one location, what we can do, we can ask ICICI people, okay, this is only in it is a case, okay, like there is a chance that we can say, acha, so this person is from Indore. So can you please try nearby Indore? Okay, like that we can ask. So if there are vacancies in ICICI, they will give nearby Indore or nearby the district which he is asking. But they can't confirm because suppose the vacancies are there in somewhere else, like west, north, all that places will be there, no? Suppose somewhere else it is there. So what they will say, here I have vacancies and other place I have vacancies. So is he interested in this position or that? Okay, like that ICICI will give a choice to the company, and TVS company, based on your interest, they will request ICICI people to place you people that particular location. I hope it is clear, no? You will get 100% in Madhya Pradesh, which TVS can guarantee. But they can't guarantee you the district. So what we can do instead is, we can mention your name. Like suppose Mahindra, I can see here on my screen. So I will say, okay, Mahindra belongs to some location in MP. I will say, can you give nearby location to him? Okay, nearby districts to him. Then they can try that. If the vacancies are available, they will give you in the nearby only. Because as I told you already, 1500 vacancies are there. So having those vacancies, they will not give you anywhere far, which is very obvious. But still, certainty. Okay, because suppose we are filling, like in the last month we had 40 selections. Okay, before that we had. So positions will get filled up very soon. Other people are also working for that. So we can't guarantee you the district, but you will definitely get in the same state, in the nearest location which is open, right? This point has to be very clear, guys. Anybody has any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Right. What is the, anybody has any doubts?
Yeah, I have a.
Yes.
Hello.
Your name, please?
Ma'am, my name is Roshni.
Okay, Roshni, you can ask.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. There is an online assessment is there, no?
No, I didn't inform anything about online assessment till now.
Because
so far, whatever I have completed, no, till there, any doubt?
Yeah, you will not tell online assessment, but you have show me a slide. So there is a written online assessment.
Whatever I'm covering the points, guys, please focus on that, because slides will have a lot of information which may not be valid, and it keeps on changing for every batch to batch. So we will do one thing after completion of the entire presentation. Then I will tell you. Okay, I will ask you for the doubts, and you can ask me then. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So doubts at the end, guys. Right. So we will see the selection process now. So what is the selection process? So first, you all have to check your eligibility criteria. So as I told you, one day more than 26 also not eligible. So check everything thoroughly, and if you are totally eligible, only then you will be, sending me a message. What should you do? Like after complete presentation, I will drop my number in the chat box. Then what you can do, you can send me your name, email ID, mobile number, and your location. That you can send it to me, and which I will consider as a final list. So only those people who are sending me that, I will be taking their application. So similarly, in the 7th also, we had the same. Some people have forgotten to send that. They are attending again. So if at all you are missing to send the name, even if you have registered, that is only as an attendance. Okay. You will have to share these 4 things to the number which I am giving you at the end. If you are interested only, guys, I repeat again. Okay, so then I will be considering you for the interview and I will send you the interview timing. Okay, that is the process. And first you will have to check your eligibility criteria. Okay, and then this test you put it on hold because 90% people will not clear it. Okay, but if anybody wants to check your skills and all, then please inform me. I will send you the test link also. Okay, if at all anybody wants to prove yourself or something like that, but 90% people will not be able to do that. Okay, so just put this step on hold. We will give you one online test, one online interview. Okay, after all the entire session is over, I will give you the number, you will send me the details, and then I will send you the interview timing. Okay, so after eligibility, you will give the interview, you will be given the interview timing, you will attend the interview. Okay, any person from South India will take your interview. So make sure you are talking in English only. Okay, Hindi, I'm not sure how well they will understand because TVS is a South-based company which will be working in few states of North India. Okay, so make sure you're talking in English only, and I will give you some interview tips at the end. Please remind me. Okay, so after your interview, if at all you're being selected, in the group yesterday I have posted 6 members' names, who all got selected. So there were so many people who attended the interview, but only 6 people got selected. Okay, so I will tell you the reason of rejection and all also at the end. Just inform. Okay, so if you are being selected in the interview, we will first check your documents. Okay, via mail, you can send us the documents. We will ask you for one, from tvsts.com, not like any other gmail.com. You will receive every information from tvsts.com, which is a official email IDs you will receive. Okay, there you have to send your documents like your 10th certificate, inter certificate. We will check the eligibility. Basic this documentation thing is like we will check your eligibility, that's it, not more than that. So after that you will receive an offer letter. So today everybody who all those 6 people I told you, they have received it today, the offer letters. Okay, so all of them are now we can say they are completely selected. So only one interview will be there to get selected. So after that you will receive your offer letter. Okay, so in the offer letter, as I told you, you will get endorsement letter also. Okay, and all the other instructions will be there in the offer letter itself. And then comes, okay, here with offer letter receiving, you are complete selected. And after that comes your training. Okay, what is the training? Okay, as I told you, you will have so many things to do in the bank. You all are freshers. So how will you know that? Okay, what job you will do, how will you know that? So for that particular purpose, once you get selected in the job, ICICI will send you the offer letter. Okay, ICICI onboarding will send you the offer letter. And then you will be eligible for training. Okay, all these points will be mentioned in your offer letter mail only. Okay, so then you will be eligible for training, and we will, TVS company will collect training amount from you people. So what is that amount? You can check in the ICICI Careers website. It is clearly mentioned relationship manager position. Okay, it is diploma. So you will get a training certificate also, but all this will happen only if you select in the interview. So if at all you are not being selected in the interview, you are ready to do the payment. We can't take you like that. Okay, it is compulsory that you people are supposed to pass in the interview. If you are not able to do that, we can't process your profile. Okay, so if you have cracked that interview, you have got your offer letter. So after receiving your offer letter, there is no point of cancellation of your offer. 100% you have the job with you. Okay, so there is no problem in that. So after that, you will have online training. Okay, because we said we are operating from everywhere, no? So you will have online. Some recruiters, again, the training will also be in English only. If anybody feels like we can't understand English, okay, then it will be a little problem. Okay, because the training will be in English only. So it is an online program for 21 days. So you will have to attend 21 days from morning till the evening. Everybody, have to be present in a particular, like formal dress will be there. Okay, they will check that also. And after that, after your training completion, you will receive final offer letter. In this final offer letter, you will have the location of your branch. Like suppose Indore. Okay, so you have to go to which branch in Indore to join as a relationship manager. So that will be mentioned. And also you will be having one more thing, like the date of joining. Okay, so suppose if you have completed your training on November 15th, okay, suppose November 15th. So you will have at least 1 week of time to join. Okay, sometimes next day only they will be giving you like go and join. Okay, so at least we can say 3 days you can take time, but you have to go and join immediately after your training. The date also will be mentioned in this final offer letter. So in this first offer letter, all the information will be mentioned and your final selection will be there here. In the final offer letter, your date of joining, when are you going to go to the bank and join, in which location, and who is the manager or HR, their details and all will be mentioned in the final offer letter. Okay, then comes the joining. And I hope everybody has checked the ICICI website also. Once, if at all anybody did not check that, just go and check, because when it comes to money, everybody has a question like how genuine it is. So if you are going and checking in the ICICI website, all your doubts will be cleared. Okay, so if any parents, because especially parents will not believe like that. So even if you have any doubts or if your parents have any doubt, just open ICICI Careers website and show, acha, see, this is the amount which they have mentioned. This is the TVS company and this is the endorsement letter. Okay, and you need not fear, because once if you get the offer letter, only then you will do the payment for training. If you are being rejected in the interview, then you will be given other opportunity for next batch. Okay, not in this batch. Like September 7th, which we had, that is for this batch only. So you people are lucky that you are in the last of this. So if you are not qualifying the interview also, in the next month, because every month we will have 2 batches. Okay, so if you are not qualifying in this batch, the interview, we will be giving you the chance in the next batch or the upcoming batch, and then you can join. Okay, you can, because once you will have an idea what questions are being asked, you will know better. Right. So just check in the ICICI Careers website, and there also the numbers and all, every detail will be there. Along with the TVS company, all those who are working for the same process, those details will also be there. So you can check that, because TVS is charging less than all the other companies, which also will be there in the website, which you can go through. Okay, so as I told you, the training will be for 21 days. Okay, 21 days online training will be there, which will be 8 hours per day. Okay, like suppose if you are going to college, how it will be? Like morning 9 till evening 4 or 5 o'clock, right? So similarly with the breaks and all, same training will be there. Because if I am coming to your bank and asking to open account, if you don't know which documents are required to open account, so how will you do that? Okay, if I am coming to your bank, you are the relationship manager, and if you don't know what to do in the KYC, which documents are required in the KYC, so you will not know, right? So that is the problem. That is why, since you all are freshers, after getting selected, TVS will do the training for you. Okay, and this will be Monday to Saturday program, Sunday is a holiday, and virtual means online. Okay, so what is the training fees? So if you have seen the website, all will be, everything, even the training fees also will be mentioned there. So the training fees is 40,000 plus GST. Okay, you can check that in the careers portal. Okay, and to attend this meeting and all, you need to have a phone or laptop, which is very, like common, because everybody will have it. Okay, and attendance is compulsory in the training, not like we have paid, so we will not attend. Okay, because the major focus of ICICI is to get their people understand everything. Okay, that is the major thing. Because if you are going and joining the bank not knowing what to do, so what work will you do? Because there will not be any other programs after that, the training programs. So this is the only thing. So everything which you will do in the work, we will be teaching you here in the 21 days. Okay, but you will not be paid here. Okay, because you are not working here, right? Ulta, you will be doing the payment for getting your training after you receive your offer letter. Okay, so I hope this point is also very clear. And what will you learn in the program? So there are so many things which you will learn. What is liabilities, what is asset, what is forex, Google Pay, Phone Pay, WhatsApp Pay. There are so many other pays. Okay, what is the thing which you need to know? Everything regarding the banking course. Okay, so all that will be taught to you, including the behavior aspects, grooming aspects, time management, gold bonds, mutual bonds. Okay, everything, insurance and all the idea will be given to you by the TVS company trainer. Right? Xiaomi, please put yourself on mute.
उससे बातचीत कर ली।
Xiaomi, please put yourself on mute.
हाँ मैंने तो ये आंगे वाले देखा। वही कर रहा जो बकरी है सफेद वाली काली वाली।
Rahul.
Sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am.
Yes. Right. So this is about the training program. So if anybody has any doubts, no, you can clearly ask. And if you have any doubts, please don't put it with you. Okay. Even if it is a blunder, whatever it is, I'm here to answer. Okay. There is nothing like we will not. No, we are not so much intelligent that we know everything. Nothing like that. Okay. Any question, no matter how simple it is, how complex it is, whatever it is, we will inform. And if you have missed out any point also, just ask me. I'm here to answer. Okay, I hope you all can see me. Yes.
Actually, I have one doubt.
Yes, Rahul.
Actually, like my age is 21, so I am eligible or not?
Yes, you are eligible. You have 5 more years that you are eligible.
Okay, right.
Yes. And anybody else has any doubts? Guys, please turn on your videos, because in the interviews when we see you people, no, I have some names registered already. I have taken the name of Mahindra, Ayushi, Urmila, okay, Priyansh. All these people I have noted that okay, they were listening. Anmol, okay, they were listening, and I can see that in the screen. Okay, so if you guys off your videos, I will not be able to recognize you. Okay. Yes. Your name, please.
Ma'am, I'm Rashi Saraswati.
Rashi, please turn on your video. Yes, Rashi, you can ask.
Ma'am, now I am 25-year old.
Okay, how many months?
And next month is my birthday.
Okay.
Next month my birthday, 3rd October. I complete 26 on 3rd October.
Okay, just tell me your date of birth, no?
3rd October 1996.
Okay, so I don't think we will be able to complete the training, Rashi, because see, October 3rd, right? We have hardly less than 1 month. Our training itself is for 21 days. So I will do one thing. We have batches, right? Whichever batch is the first batch. Like suppose I'm guessing like we have 12 one batch. So I will just do one thing. I will inquire if we have a batch on 12th. I will process you. If it is some days later also, I can't. Okay, so I'll just inform you that on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm dropping my number in the chat box. Okay, all of you just take it down. If you are not interested also, just say because of the fees or whatever the reason, I'm not able to do that, because there are other programs which are not costing you this much. So we will inform you that. If at all you want the best opportunity, if you are okay with the payment, because sometimes what happens, we do not have so much skills, be it communication skills, be it banking knowledge. So because all those things are involved, if you are just doing 121 days ka program, you will be eligible for lifelong settlement. It is. You can work for 57 years. Okay, this is a permanent job. So you can discuss with your family and let me know. But please inform me by 1 hour, because I will prepare the interview candidates ka timing. I will prepare and I will send it in the group and all the recruiters. So your timing also will be given to you. Yeah, I'm just dropping the mobile number so you can check it here. Just a minute.
मैम हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो सकता क्या?
No, I am basically from South India. Okay, I'm from Hyderabad. So if I start talking in Hindi, you will not understand if it is Hindi or Urdu or what it is. So if you want, I can try.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, तो हिंदी में बात करने के लिए try कर सकते हैं.
नहीं मैम, देखिए मैं पूछना चाह रहा था कि
नहीं, आप हिंदी में पूछ सकते हो. I can understand हिंदी, but मेरी हिंदी तो बहुत खिचड़ी है.
Okay मैम. इंटरव्यू के लिए पूछ रहा था कि इंटरव्यू
तो कंपलसरी आपको इंग्लिश में देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमारे रिक्रूटर्स जो है ना वो कभी कभी केरला से लेते हैं, कभी कर्नाटका से लेते हैं, कभी तेलंगाना से, कभी आंध्र प्रदेश से, बिकॉज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है। सो हमारे जैसा लाइक अभी तो हमारा एमपी का चल रहा है ना ये इंटरव्यू, तो ऐसा ही सभी स्टेट्स में चलता है। तो हम हमारे को सपोज 10 पीपल ने अभी इंटरव्यू के लिए रिक्वेस्ट भेजा, तो हम 10 पीपल को क्या करते हैं, वो लिस्ट बना के अदर पीपल को सेंड करते हैं, तो वो लेंगे वो इंटरव्यू सभी लोगों को। My number in the chat box, just take that and drop me your name, email ID, mobile number and your location. If you are sending me these 4 things, I will consider that you are there from starting till the end and you are okay with every process and you are totally eligible. Eligibility check भी आपको ही करना पड़ेगा because I have already told you the gap, the age and all those things, percentage. So everything just check and then you can, yes, I will repeat age. I think the voice is breaking, Anmol. Is it with
मैम
me?
क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन भेजना है?
Please repeat it, ma'am. Please repeat it, ma'am.
Repeat the eligibility criteria, right? Right?
Hello.
मैम आपको
Hello.
व्हाट्सएप करना है क्या?
Guys, I'm not
Excuse
able
me,
to
ma'am.
hear it. Just a minute.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
So eligibility criteria, I will repeat again. You should be below 26 years before joining the bank. Okay, so less than
Hello.
25.9 months will be eligibility. And coming to the percentage, you should have 50% or above in all your academics, like 10th enter degree. 50% is compulsory. If you have 49.1%, 49.9% also not eligible. Okay, so just check that. And drop
Hello,
your
hello.
name, email ID, mobile number and your location, which will be your interview confirmation. After receiving these 4 only, I will give you the interview timing. Okay?
Hello.
Yes, Roshni.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a doubt on training fee.
Yes, yes, you can ask.
Can you repeat once again?
Okay, sure. You want it with the slides?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just do it. And Roshni, in the meanwhile, you can just go to the careers website. Okay, you can open the particular ICICI RM thing and you can check that. Okay, entire information is given there also. Okay, and somebody is saying here percentage is 47, not eligible, guys.
What is the percentage criteria?
It is 50% or more.
Okay, right.
Okay, yes. So first of all, you have to check your eligibility. Then we will give you the interview timing. If you are qualifying the interview, then we will ask you to send some basic documents to check your percentage and to check your age. So once it is done and if we feel everything is correct, we will release one offer letter from ICICI onboarding. Okay, so
Hello. Hello.
all the
Can you listen to me, ma'am?
Raj Babu, yes, I can hear you. Any problem?
Just a second, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Right, so you'll receive the offer letter and after receiving your offer letter, so suppose आपको offer letter मिला है तो इसका मतलब है कि आपका complete selection जो है वो complete हो चुका है. तो offer letter this is the major thing. After receiving offer letter आप eligible होते हो training के लिए. तो training के लिए कौन देता है training? ICICI नहीं देता है. Okay, because TVS will do it because it is the official hiring partner for ICICI. So ये ट्रेनिंग के लिए फीस कलेक्ट करते हैं और वो ट्रेनिंग फीस कितना है आप वेबसाइट में चेक कर सकते हो. इट इज 40,000 प्लस GST. Okay, other companies are there which are charging, one is charging 90,000 also for the same course. And अगर आप मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी में देखते हो, they were used to charge 3 lakh for the same course for 2 years. You can check all this information which is available in the Google itself. Okay, and if you have any concerns, you can text me also on the WhatsApp, the same number which I have dropped. Okay, so अभी ये क्या हुआ है, ICICI have reduced that 3 lakh thing to 40,000 and they have mentioned in the website only that this is the legal thing because everybody is charging whatever they are liking. So because candidates are getting lost. So suppose एक person है जो 3 lakh pay करके same course they are taking and suppose other person है जो 40,000 pay करके same position में आ रहे, तो वो 3 lakh person जो pay कर रहे हैं ना उनका loss है ना. तो इसीलिए ICICI स्टैंडर्ड बनाया कि अब तो 40,000 में ही होगा. Okay, तो ये है रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर की ट्रेनिंग की चार्जेस. Okay, and after that you will do your training which is for 21 days and final offer letter मिलेगा आपको, और ये ऑफर लेटर में आपका लोकेशन दिया जाएगा और आपका ज्वाइनिंग डेट भी मेंशन होगा. Right? Someone has asked me to repeat it. I have done. So if you anybody else has any questions also, you can ask. We will clarify that.
मैम आपने बोला था लास्ट में आप इंटरव्यू के बारे में बताएंगे क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आस्क हो सकते हैं.
Okay, interview. Right. So what all questions will be there in interview? See, last time also I have instructed people what questions will be there, but most of the people were not prepared. Okay, they have just come up कि देखेंगे क्या होगा, but they were rejected in the interview. Okay, so only 6 people got selected. 6 people received offer letter today. So ऐसा कि suppose if 10 people are answering, like we have 20 people here. Again, because some people will drop out due to eligibility, due to other reasons. So even if we are having 10 people, I should feel that all 10 people should get selected. Okay, because this is a lifetime thing. Once if you are doing this interview qualifying, if you are qualifying this thing, you will be eligible for payment. But this payment, if you are checking 40,000, if you are not able to do that, there are some other facilities also, like loan facilities and some other facilities are there. But I don't know what MP does. Okay, which company provides an MP. So I'm just trying to know that. So once I have that information, I will publish in the group. Okay, and we also do some kind of campus placements also. Okay, for the same position हम लोग colleges को आते हैं आपको colleges में, and we will take your interviews there also. So if at all anybody wants to go like that and give your interview, we will inform you that dates also. Okay, so that will be a little better for you people if you see. Right? And interview things will be a basic. First one they will ask you your introduction, which is common in any interview. Okay, तो आपको अपना introduction देना पड़ेगा और वो English में देना पड़ेगा. And next they will ask you how much you understood about the responsibilities. So if अगर आपको आपके responsibilities पता नहीं है तो काम कैसे करोगे? Okay, तो वो problem है. तो इसीलिए आपको responsibilities that has to be very clear for you. Okay, and other thing which they will see, how quickly, just a minute.
Hello ma'am. Hello.
Just a minute guys, I got a call. Yes. So I'll just finish this answer and we will move on to the next question. Okay, so as Anmol was asking, we will have self-introduction question. Then how well did you understand about the job roles and responsibilities? And we will check if at all we are giving you training, are you in a position to learn? Okay, that is what we will check. Because we don't want perfect people. We want people who will listen to what we are saying and if they are learning it or not. Okay, so that we will check. Right? And next will be basic ICICI information. So if I'm saying in what position is ICICI, okay, like when you see, as I told you, it is third in the global, first in the India. In which year is it first? And what is the current position? Which place is it now? Okay, so basic information like that. Who is the CEO? Okay, what is BFSI sector? So which all companies come under BFSI sector? Not about TVS. We will not ask anything about TVS company, but we will definitely ask you about ICICI basic information. Okay, so what are the banking products? As I told you, sales account, current account, savings account. Okay, loans, gold bonds. Okay, mutual funds. In what do we say? Suppose if anybody is not good, health coverage, whatever it is, all these are banking products. So we expect at least you should have a little idea about that. At least names you should be knowing. Okay, because the rest everything they will give you in the training only. But how well can you learn? Okay, if we are explaining you, suppose in a day if we are telling you 6 hours continuous teaching, are you in a position to learn? So that basic things we will check. Okay, so and also positive attitude, because suppose if you are working in a bank, if at all you are not able to greet your recruiters properly, okay, if at all you are not in a a well-dressed position. Okay, if you are very funky, someone I have seen,
Hello.
They have come, they have just bathed and come. Okay, with the wet hair, they were in towel. I don't know. They want give the interview or what. Okay, so like that will not simply be rejected. So just check that also. Okay, so these are the basic things which I can inform you, and rest no, you can see in the. Okay, and anybody else has any doubts?
मैम I am already SBI Life Finance. So
Okay.
हम हमारी प्रेफरेंस दे सकते हैं मैम, प्रेफरेंस के थ्रू मैम वहाँ पर एक्सपीरियंस प्रेफरेंस.
No, see, throughout the India, the process is same. Because as I told you, we are operating in many states. कि जो कि ICICI में आपको भी preference नहीं दिया जाएगा. Because SO, I said 2-3 positions which are below the RM position. No? Even if they want also, they can't do it. So they have to come through. There is no other opportunity. Okay, and this salary also, even if you are experienced or fresher, salary जो है वो भी same रहेगी सभी लोगों को. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Roshni.
Ma'am, we have to pay us training fees on before offer when you get offer letter.
Yes,
That time
see,
we have
you will
to
get
pay.
no. Let me make it clear. First, आपको offer letter मिलेगी. You will not be eligible for payment before that. And in the offer letter only, you will be getting all the information. किसको pay करेंगे आप? आप pay करेंगे TVS company के. Will be there in the thing which you will receive. Offer letter में जो additional attached होंगे ना, तो उसमें I'll just show you. No, just a minute, guys. Today I told 6 people got the offer letters. No, I'll show you that, so you will have a little idea. So just a minute. Yes. So these 6 people have got the offer letter. I'm also marked in the CV because I have given them the presentation. Okay, so this is the offer letter which the candidates have received. Okay, all the information regarding the dress code also, everything. This is that person's declaration form. This is the endorsement letter. This is the provisional offer letter from ICICI as a relationship manager. See, no t-shirt, no jeans, casual dress is not allowed during the training. Okay, and they will also mention details regarding the documents which are required. Okay, pre-joining formalities, everything will be there. Okay, I'll just open this thing to show you offer letter, how it will look. Okay, we will see this also. I hope you all can see this, right, guys?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
A minute, it is not getting opened. Yeah, now you all can see this, right, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right, so this person, you can check the name in the group. I have dropped some names, no? So that person has received this offer letter. So with the salary range, everything you can see here. Okay, and what is the amount that they are charging also, they have clearly mentioned. So there is no worrying, because everything is documented. That too you'll receive from the ICICI onboarding mail itself. Okay, and to which company name, to whom you should send the amount. It is like sometimes what people do, they will take on their own numbers. And this is the company account number, account name, the branch, everything is given here. So no need to worry about that as well. Okay, and this is the annexure, some rules and regulations type we can say. Okay, so all this will be given to you once you get selected in the interview. So try to give your best in the interview. If you are giving your best, you will definitely get selected. Okay, and I have dropped the name. I have dropped the number, so you can check the eligibility and just send me the message for your interview. Okay, I'll just send it here again. Okay, I want your name, email ID, mobile number, and your location. Please put it, and then I will send you the interview timing. Okay? Anybody else has any doubts?
Hello.
Yes, if anybody else has any doubts, please ask. And if anybody doesn't have any doubts, we can leave the meeting. Okay, because it is meeting is almost over. I'm just asking other people's doubts.
Hello.
Yes, Raj Babu.
Ma'am, your WhatsApp number given me.
I have kept in the chat. Okay, you can check that.
Okay, thank you.
Right, anybody else has any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Oppo, please turn on your video and you can ask the question.
Ma'am, can I speak in Hindi language?
Hindi you can speak, but please turn on your video before your, yes, you can.
Ma'am, my name is Raja Yadav.
Hmm.
मैम ये बोला था कि
Hmm.
अभी जो चार्जिंग लग रहा है वैसे जैसे ट्रेनिंग फीस लग रही है 40,000 रुपए का, तो
Yes.
ये पहले पे करनी पड़ेगी?
तो क्या होगा कि पहला थिंग तो आपको ऑफर लेटर मिलेगी, ओके, तो
Yes.
आपको जैसे कि ऑफर लेटर मिलेगा आप एलिजिबल होते हो पे करने के लिए। क्या कर सकते हैं, आपको लोन फैसिलिटीज भी साउथ इंडिया में तो है, तो हम आपको मध्य प्रदेश में लोन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं या नहीं ये हम चेक करेंगे और आपको ग्रुप में डालेंगे। तो साउथ इंडिया में अदर फैसिलिटीज भी है, जैसे कि हम लोग 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स या 4 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में पे करने की ऑप्शन देते हैं लोगों को। तो हमको ये चेक करनी पड़ेगी कि ये फैसिलिटी भी मध्य प्रदेश में है या आप लोगों को 40,000 एक बार में ही पे करने पड़ेगी। सो दैट आई हैव टू चेक, बिकॉज अभी तो हमारे साउथ इंडिया में सभी ऑप्शंस है अवेलेबल, कि एक स्टेट में सपोज केरला है, केरला में लोन फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल नहीं है, कि अदर फैसिलिटी अदर स्टेट्स में है, तो अदर स्टेट में ये होगा तो दूसरे स्टेट में ये नहीं होगा, तो एमपी में है या नहीं मैं चेक करके आपको बता दूँ। एंड आपको पेमेंट 21 डेज ट्रेनिंग है ना, उसके बाद में आपको फाइनल ऑफर लेटर मिलेगी। तो ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट होने से पहले मतलब 21 दिन ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट होगा, सपोज नवंबर 1 को होगा, तो ट्रेनिंग कब कंप्लीट होगा, 21 नवंबर को होगा, तो ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना होगा ना टाइम आपको, तो उस महीने में आप कभी भी पे कर सकते हो। मोस्टली आपको रिमाइंडर मेल्स आएगी, तो आप मेल्स सपोज आज आपको एक मेल आया कि 5th के पहले आप पे कर दो, तो आप 5th के पहले आप पे कर सकते हो, लाइक दैट यू कैन डू।
यस मैम, वन क्वेश्चन मैम।
यस यू कैन।
मैम जो इंटरव्यू होगा मैम वो हिंदी में नहीं हो सकता क्या?
नो, बिकॉज ये लोग जो है ना, जैसे कि मैंने बताया वो सभी स्टेट्स में स्कैटर्ड है, तो मैं तो हैदराबाद से हूँ, तो मुझे हिंदी थोड़ा तो मालूम है, तो मैं मैनेज कर सकती हूँ अगर आप हिंदी में भी बात करें। तो सपोज अगर मैं ही इंटरव्यू लूंगी तो आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो, बिकॉज चांसेस आर देयर, आई एम नॉट श्योर हु इज टेकिंग द इंटरव्यू। तो ऑल ओवर इंडिया में होगा ना, सभी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस के पीपल आएंगे, तो पता नहीं कि उनको हिंदी आता कि नहीं। सपोज साउथ इंडिया में अदर लोग है लाइक जैसे कि केरला से, उनको तो बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आता हिंदी। तो अगर आपको ऐसा रिक्रूटर मिलेगा तो थोड़ा तो मुश्किल होगा। आप उनसे पूछिए कि क्या मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ, अगर वो लोग समझ रहे तो आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो। तो लैंग्वेज का तो यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट उनको समझ में आना चाहिए, तो यही सिंपल।
Yes ma'am, I am not comfortable in English language.
So that you can say, तो बिकॉज आपका वर्क में तो हम नहीं देखेंगे कि आपको इंग्लिश आता कि नहीं, ये तो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में कुछ नहीं है ऐसा, बट रिक्रूटर को समझ में आना चाहिए, यही एक नो डिफिकल्टी। ओके, एंड एनीबॉडी एल्स हैज एनी क्वेश्चंस?
Thank you ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else has any questions?
hello.
Yes, please tell me. Yes, please ask me, Raja Babu.
मैम मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, हिंदी मैम ऑलमोस्ट क्या है, नॉर्थ इंडिया के लिए आप हायर कर रही हो, तो मैम वहाँ पर क्या है, हिंदी ऑलमोस्ट वहाँ पर 90% वहाँ पर लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस दी जाती है वहाँ पर। तो मैम रिक्रूटर वहाँ पर जो इंटरव्यू वहाँ पर पर्सन है उनको भी मैम
अगर आपको मध्य प्रदेश के रिक्रूटर्स आएंगे तो आप हैप्पीली आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो ना। तो अगर हैदराबाद के कुछ लोग हैं और वो इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं मध्य प्रदेश के रिक्रूटर को, तो उनको भी सेम प्रॉब्लम होगा। और इंग्लिश जो है सभी लोग ऐसा कि नहीं है ना कि अगर आप एमपी में भी काम कर रहे हो तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि एमपी में सभी लोगों को हिंदी आए। तो कुछ तो ऐसे लोग भी होंगे जो फॉरेनर्स होंगे, कुछ ऐसे होंगे तो अदर स्टेट्स के होंगे, तो इंग्लिश तो पक्का आना पड़ेगा ना आपको, बिकॉज इट इज अ कॉमन लैंग्वेज फॉर कम्युनिकेशन, राइट?
हेलो
यस
मैम।
यस अंकुश।
यस मैम, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि मेरा परसेंटेज में ऑल मतलब कि जितने भी क्राइटेरिया एलिजिबिलिटी था उसमें मैं काउंट कर दूं, लेकिन मेरा जो ग्रेजुएशन परसेंटेज है वो 47 है सिर्फ।
Okay, so not eligible, अंकुश, because any other opportunities आएंगे तो हम लोग आपको बोल देंगे. आप नंबर दिया है ना मैंने, तो उसमें आपका नेम और इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल के आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि 47 मेरा परसेंटेज है. तो जो भी फ्यूचर में हमको आएंगे ना वैकेंसीज, वो आपको हम इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. And anybody else has any doubts, or should I close the meeting, guys? किसी को कोई डाउट्स है?
और मैम मैं ये बोल रहा था कि जैसे जो इंटरव्यू की डेट रहेगी तो मैम उसका तो पहले से बता दिया जाएगा ना?
No, interview will be today itself mostly, because आपको ना 15 minutes 10 minutes में आपका इंटरव्यू हो जाएगा और वो भी ऑनलाइन ही होगा. Okay, तो
Yes,
पहले नहीं बताएगा. We will do it today itself. Okay.
Yes मैम. ओके मैम.
So I hope nobody has any doubts now. So I'll just end the meeting. I hope you all have taken the number, and you can drop your name, email ID, mobile number, location to the number which I have given. Okay, then you will get your interview time. Okay guys, thank